have lot of moods: interior angles, exterior angles, and angle bisectors. So today we are going to convert this confusion into confidence. So let us see. We are starting with this triangle ABC, and these are the three interior angles. However, one of the sides of the triangle AB, उसको हमने बाहर एक्सटेंड कर दिया, मतलब बाहर तक उसे ले गए. सो इट्स नोन एज एक्सटेंडेड साइड. अब ये एक्सटेंडेड साइड एक एंगल बना रही है एडजेसेंट साइड के साथ. सो दिस ब्लू एंगल इज नोन एज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ग्रीन इज द इंटीरियर एंगल. Because this is making a linear pair, therefore blue angle plus green angle is equal to 180 degree over here. However, since we are talking about angle bisectors, हम इस exterior angle को two parts में divide करेंगे using this angle bisector. This angle bisector. Now because this was making a linear pair, तो ये जो green angle है, this will become equal to 180 minus 2x. Because ये total angle CBE is equal to 2x. We are going to do exactly the same thing on the other side of the base angle. मतलब एक base angle ये लिया, एक base angle ये लिया. बिल्कुल exactly in the similar manner ये bisector है. Therefore ये exterior angle को y और y में divide कर रहा है. ये interior angle है. Pink angle और total green angle 180 है. That is why pink angle is equal to 180 minus 2y. BCF is the exterior angle which is equal to 2y. Now just look at this figure. We can relate to this figure as three roads meeting at a junction forming a triangle. Now imagine security cameras being put along these lines, the extended roads of this triangle. And to cover the area properly, probably the engineers are going to put, are going to use the angle bisectors of these exterior angles so that they can manage the area in the maximum capacity. So we are going to decode basically the relationship between this angle, which is between the angle bisectors, and this angle, which is the vertical angle. Calling it a vertical angle because इन दोनों को हमने बाइसेक्ट किया है बेस एंगल्स के एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स को, तो जो बचा हुआ एंगल है उसको हम वर्टिकल एंगल बुलाएंगे. नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस रिलेशन, लेट अस सी द वैल्यूज, लाइव वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज एंगल्स इन द डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. सो फर्स्ट इज दैट आई एम कैप्चरिंग एंगल BAC, विच इज दिस वर्टिकल एंगल ओवर हियर. सेकेंड, इसी एंगल का हमने हाफ ले लिया, इसी एंगल का हाफ. नेक्स्ट इसको हमने राउंड ऑफ टू 2 प्लेसेस करा है, इसलिए 26.97 है. नेक्स्ट इस एंगल को हमने 90 डिग्री में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करा, मतलब 90 माइनस 26.97. नेक्स्ट हमने एंगल BDC को यहाँ कैप्चर कर लिया. अब वी कैन सी दैट दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. लेट अस सी if they continue to be same even after we change the blue angle and the red angle. So you can see that even after I have changed it, you can see कि ये दोनों angles बिल्कुल equal हैं. इनकी values change हो रही हैं but they are equal to each other. So this is the numerical proof. Now let us see the geometry proof of the same using a bit of an algebra over here. सो ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हैवी अलजेब्रा दिख रहा है, इसको थोड़ा सा आराम से हम अनपैक करते हैं. सबसे पहले ये पिंक ट्राइंगल लिया और उसमें हमने एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाई. सो एंगल ए प्लस एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल ACB इक्वल टू 180. हाउएवर एंगल ABC हमने ऑलरेडी डीकोड करा है एज 180 माइनस 2x. सो हम ABC को 180 माइनस 2x लिखेंगे. लाइकवाइज we have decoded angle ACB as 180 minus 2y. So we will replace ACB as 180 minus 2y. After that, geometry is over and we are only going to look at the algebra. We are just opening this bracket because ये sum है. So angle A 180, ये वाला 180 और इधर वाला 180 इधर आके negative 180 होगा because when we change side in the equation, sign is also changed. This was negative 2x here, becomes positive 2x. Negative 2y becomes positive 2y because इनका भी side change हो गया. ये left hand side से right hand side आ गए. Now, this is plus 180, this is minus 180. So, they get cancelled to each other. We are left with angle A plus 180 on the left hand side because ये दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे and 2x plus 2y on the right hand side. Now, because ये सारी double quantities हैं, हम इन सब का half ले लेंगे. So, half angle A, 180 का half 90, 2x का half x and 2y का half y. So, in this algebra, now we know the sum of x and y is 90 plus half a. After this, we will take this triangle BDC. Now, in this triangle BDC, we will take angle D, ये purple angle B और ये green angle C. इनका sum भी 180 है because ये angle sum property is grey triangle की है. Now, angle D will stay as angle D, but ये purple angle is x and green angle is y, which we are replacing. यहाँ से भी we will keep x plus y on one side and we will take angle D on the other side. It becomes negative angle D. Now, in these highlighted yellow equations, left hand side is x plus y. So, since the left hand side same hai, we are going to put right hand sides equal to each other. So, right hand side from here 90 plus half a, right hand side from here 180 minus angle D. Rest is again only transposing चीज़ों को हम left से right से left लेके जाएंगे ताकि हम एक relationship बना सकें angle D और angle A के बीच में. So, we will keep angle D on one side. So, negative angle D comes here, becomes positive angle D. Remaining things we are taking to the right hand side. So, 90 becomes minus 90. Half A becomes minus half A. 180 minus 90 is 90. So, angle D is equal to 90 minus half A, जो हमने Excel sheet में भी observe किया था. It is equal to 90 minus half A. So, angle D is equal to 90 minus half of this. That is what we observed in the Excel as well over here. I hope this helped you. Now, if anyone tells you that triangles are boring, you can always say they are full of secrets. So, keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next Maths Adventure by Maths Vani. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.